There are people amongst us like you and like me and many people in this room who are voluminous. We are 10-gallon people. But we may have been born into families of people who have pint capacities. When you are a 10-gallon person and you want love, you want it on a 10-gallon level. But a pint person, they could be giving you all that they have, sincerely giving you everything, but it doesn't fill you up because you're bigger than that. But you must realize some people, that's all they got.
Lovers and friends, Audrey here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking. So if you've watched my previous video, you're probably wondering, I've already done a room tour of this resort. Why am I making another one? Well, yes, I am still at the same place, but we have changed rooms. The last video, the room was a standard. This one is a villa, and just as beautiful as the standard room is, this is even more, and it deserves its own space. Welcome to the video. So coming in, this is literally what welcomes you to the villa, and this is what you get to wake up to. Guys, when I say this place is beautiful, I do not mean small. So this is the outside. Okay, Instagrammable, very Instagrammable. There's a pool. I'm from snorkeling, I use that, I just put it there. It's not part of it. There is an outside shower. How nice is that? Really. Again, this is the view you get, because if you pay attention, this shower has no door. You could literally have a shower and enjoy this view. You swim and enjoy this view. This is without a doubt probably the most beautiful accommodation hotel resort I have been to so far. So like the last one, it's like one big room, but this one is 1, 2 and 3. And the closet space. Yes. can see at least 4 people can be here. Coming this side, probably my favorite part is, you know, the bathroom area. There's this long mirror, shower cap, comb, dental kit, shaving kit, shoe shine, and a vanity kit. Behind this curtain is the view of the garden. Turning around is the bathtub. And my favorite thing about this bathtub compared to the last one is the view you get. So for dinner, they offer these yummy complimentary pastries. As for their main meal though, if you're a heavy eater, order 2 portion size, you know, just double your plate. That's the advice I'm going to give you today. For the breakfast buffet though, they have a wide variety of options, which I thoroughly enjoyed every morning. But quick question, guys. Who else has a little obsession with Nutella? Just a little obsession. Let me know in the comment section below. I cannot be the only one. Hey lovers, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, press the like button. Thank you very much. Anyways, if you've watched the part 2 of my Zanzibar vlog video, you'd notice that we had a sandbank visit. So we did that from this hotel. Although I'm pretty sure if you're in any of the hotels in the same area, they probably offer the same tour as well.